Hello everybody! We're so happy to welcome you back to some more remote learning. Today you're going to need your whiteboard, pen, rubber and your basic code sound mat. Are you ready for a sound splat? Let's go! Ch. Oi. D. Yeah. Shh. This is quick fire, this one. Ooh. Yeah. One more. Oh. So look, cover right check time, and today we've got 3. What's our first tricky bug? That's right, it's into. And the sound that's tricking us is the oo. The O is making an oo sound. Have a go at writing it. Okay, let's check to see if we got it right. Yay! Okay, let's move on to number 2. What's this one? That's right, it's he. The E is tricking us. It's making an E sound. Have a go at writing it. Let's check. Well done. Fantastic. And the last one today is... Yep, it's my. The Y is tricking us in that word. It's making an I sound. Let's check. Well done, everybody. Last half term, we were revising our digraphs and trigraphs. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using tricky bug words to make sentences. We'll still be revising sounds as we do it. So we've got some tricky bugs to use today. Here's our first one. Yep, it's I. Our next one. Go. And then 2. Well done. We've got one more. The. Join Miss Baker to find out what we're going to be writing today.
So we are looking at our tricky words today. We've got loads at the top there. We're going to have a go at reading them, working out which word to write here, and then at home we'd like you to write the whole sentence. So let's see. I go to the... Ooh, I think it's a park. I've even got a dinosaur at the park. Okay, park. P-ark. Let's go. Ark. Park. I go to the park. Right, you have a go at the next ones.
Read the beginning of the sentence and work out what the last word will be, and write it all down on your board. Try to remember your capital letter at the beginning and full stop at the end. You will need to pause it to give yourself some extra time to write the whole sentence.
Let's read our tricky words first. I go to the shop. Shh. Oh. I go to the shop.
Here's your next one. Read the tricky bug words at the top and figure out what the words at the bottom will be. Then write that whole sentence down, not forgetting capital letter, full stop, and your finger spaces too, of course.
I go to the, 2 words. I think it's a bus stop. Okay. Bus. Stop.
To finish off today's session, have a go at reading this sentence. It does have those tricky bug words in too. Good luck.
Okay, let's let's have a go at reading our sentence to end our phonics session today. So it has in all of the tricky words that you've been using for your main session today. Let's have a go. Can I go to the moon? Moon? Can I go to the moon? What would I need to go to the moon? Well done, everyone.
Good job, everyone. See you again tomorrow. Bye for now.